Alright.
Are you alright?
Sound, yeah.
Have you got your driving license on you at all, mate?
No, not now.
Have you not got any ID on you at all?
No.
Your car, mate, registered to you?
Yeah, it's my...
A man was stopped by British police in the middle of the night and searched under Section 23 of the Drugs Act. The reason? He stopped a little too slowly, and there was suspicious movement in the car. No evidence, no criminal activity, but still treated as a suspect. Let's take a closer look at this case.
Charlotte.
What's your first name?
Jack.
Surname?
Mason.
Date of birth?
30th of March, 93.
Well, can you just step out the car for us, please? You're going to be detained.
Why?
Section 23.
Well, I've not done anything wrong, have I?
So what, sorry?
I've done nothing wrong.
Took you a while to stop the car, mate. And
I've stopped, haven't I?
Down to your shorts as well, mate.
I'm not reaching anything, I'm holding my phone and recording you, that's all.
Okay, well step off the car, mate, because you're being detained, Section 23.
Why though?
I've just told you. I've just explained.
What, because I stopped my car?
Yeah. Because it took you a while to stop the car.
So I've stopped, haven't I?
I'm the shorts. Step off the car, please.
My hand's here, I'm holding the phone.
Yeah, but listen, he's just told you, hasn't he? You did take a while. We put the blue light on, you did take quite
Yeah, I thought you was going past.
Mate, you're being detained for the search, okay?
I don't have anything to do with drugs.
You can go.
You're being detained.
I haven't got a...
The police said the search was because the car took a while to stop. The driver claimed he was just holding his phone to record the incident. There was no crime, just a normal action. However, the police still cited Section 23 for the search without any specific suspicion.
No record or anything.
I know you're recording, I'm recording too.
Oh yes, I told you I was recording
for the search. I'm asking you to step off the car. The reason for the search is I suspect you might have drugs on you.
I haven't got drugs on me.
That's my collar number there, 5820. Place the train station, and you're entitled to a record of the search, okay?
Go ahead then.
Jump out, please. Come on the side for your safety, okay? You're going to be first and so's your vehicle, okay?
Go ahead.
Have you got anything on you that you shouldn't have?
No,
Have you got anything on you that might hurt me or you?
no.
Okay.
Passenger keys, obviously.
Where are you from?
I live in Newton.
What are you doing in this area then, bud?
It's my business.
Hmm?
It's my business.
Is it, yeah? What's your business? What have you got on underneath this?
T-shirt.
You just lift that up for us a little bit. Thank you. Okay. You just wait there 1 second. Do you want to wait in the back of our car, keep yourself warm, or you're happy there?
I'll stand there, mate.
Okay.
When asked for a specific reason for the search, the police began to change the direction of the question. Where are you from? What are you doing in this area? Is there anything under your shirt? From drug suspicion to asking about privacy, then asking to lift up your shirt for inspection. This is an act of changing the search target, no longer revolving around drugs.
So why is it you're searching me in the car again?
You what, sorry?
Why are you searching me in the car?
Why am I searching you? Section 23 of the Misuse of Drugs Act.
Yeah, but what reasonable grounds do you have?
To suspect that you might have something on you, drugs-wise.
Yeah, but what like, you know, what reason?
Because I've requested the vehicle to stop, and
Yeah.
you've taken some time to stop the vehicle, and I've seen a lot of movement in the vehicle.
Like I said, I thought you were going past. What movement? I was just sat there.
You weren't just sat
I
there?
was just sat there. I had my phone in my hand, I was just sat there.
Why'd you have your phone in your hand?
Because
Were
I
you
was
driving?
recording.
Were you driving?
No, when I stopped there, the engine's off, got the phone, recording, that's it.
Okay, well you must have been, when you stopped, you must have been fidgeting to get your phone
I
on
weren't
or
fidgeting
something.
anything.
Alright, well I've seen movement.
How can you see
Your
movement? You just make it up as you go along.
I don't.
No, you do though. Don't have anything to do with drugs. At all.
Okay.
Don't smoke, don't drink, don't do nothing.
Once this is complete and if there's nothing in the vehicle, it's just to say there
You've
isn't.
got a decent portrait.
No.
There isn't anything in the vehicle.
Okay. Well then you can go. But you'll be entitled to a record of the
I'm not
search
bothered.
as well. You what, sorry?
I'm not bothered.
Okay.
The citizen asked directly, "What movement did you see?" The police stammered, "Maybe he fidgeted to get his phone." The driver retorted, "I just sat still, holding my phone and filming." The reason for movement was extremely weak and clearly a matter of personal speculation. Once again, the police could not prove anything concrete.
Police bags in the back of your car.
I know, yeah, he's keeping hold of them. You got glasses in one as well. I've got touch at all.
Only on my phone. I lost it. Yeah, Johnny.
Yeah, go on.
Despite a thorough search of the person and vehicle, the police found nothing. No drugs, no weapon, no reason to detain him. The public was outraged, and understandably so. He was treated as a suspect even though he had not broken any laws. This is a clear example of harassment disguised as suspicion.
What's with the little snap bags under your wheel?
What?
What's with the snap bags under your wheel?
Well, they fell down there.
Yeah,
They fell down there
they fell down there.
the last time I was searched.
Oh, did they?
Yeah.
Please put this wheel back in.
The driver asked a straightforward question. Why was my car noticed in the first place? The police replied, because it was late at night and there have been a lot of robberies recently. This was a general answer. If anyone who was driving at night could be suspected, then how could that be fair? The driver was right. There were thieves everywhere, but that was no excuse for random searches.
So why did you initially pull me?
What have you told you, mate? I'm not going over it again.
I know, you explained the search, yeah. Why initially was my car brought attention to you?
Because it's very late and we've had a lot of burglaries in the area.
Alright.
Believe it or not.
Burglaries everywhere, isn't there?
Well, exactly.
There is, mate, but in particular this area at this time.
Is your boot shut properly there, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, then.
Okay, if you want a coffee, mate, it'll be a Heighton police station.
I'm alright.
Take care.
Alright. You as well.
So to sum it up, the car did not violate the law. The person did not violate the law. There was no evidence. There was only one action filming and then being searched. Without the camera, the story might have gone differently. What do you think? Is this legal defense or is it harassment in disguise? Leave a comment below. And if you want to continue following the analysis of civil rights and the police, click like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss any new videos.